Hi, I'm Brian Yampolsky.
And I'm Joe Ashton.
And we are the co-owners of Orion Mortgage, and this is the Inside Track. Now, a month ago, you got a video from us, and we talked about the differences between FHA and conventional loans.
However, that was mostly financial. We talked about only the financial differences, which were basically that the market has shifted and it's becoming more and more financially feasible to do conventional loans. Makes more sense, payments lower, mortgage insurance lower, if you can get to 5% down and if you've got really good credit.
But now today, we're going to talk about how the actual real estate market has changed and had an influence on what kinds of loans people are getting. And if you look at this newspaper, it's going to talk about the new gay marriage ruling, which is great. But down here, it talks about how the market has changed from April of 11 to April of 12. There's been a 25% increase in market value. That is not news. What is news is that sellers have changed the way they look at their offers. Right now, there's not just one offer going on a property. There's 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 multiple offers. And what I'm being told by many of our realtors is that if they're looking at 4 different offers and 3 of them are conventional loans, 1 of them is an FHA loan, they're not even considering the FHA loan because FHA loans not only have a perception of being problematic, but there are definite differences between FHA and conventional that we need to go over with you so that you understand the advantages.
Yeah, FHA, when you get an FHA appraisal, it's different than a conventional appraisal. And an FHA appraiser will go in and specifically look at things like utilities. They'll make sure everything's running, the AC, all these
even the water, they turn on the water and make sure the water's on.
And if it's not, if there's certain things in there that need to be repaired, they require that to be repaired. And so that could actually delay your closing. You could have, if those things have to be repaired ahead of time, you could push back your closing a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even a month sometimes. Conventional is a little bit less stringent on that regard.
It's actually a lot less stringent because the appraiser's not required to check any of those systems.
So because of that, the perception is that if you have a conventional and an FHA, a lot of sellers are going to just take that conventional. However, that's a good reason it's another good reason to go conventional, but FHA still has its place in many regards.
FHA does have its niche. It allows buyers to buy property with a cosigner that's not occupying the property, like if your parents or your uncle or your cousins want to cosign. It's very easy to do that. It's also very easy on FHA loans to receive gift money to help you close or to help with the down payment. So FHA is not a horrible thing, but you need to know that if you can afford to go with a conventional loan, yes, it's going to make life much easier for you and your realtor.
Yeah. Now, two things. On a conventional loan, you have to have 5% down, and it has to be your own money. It needs to be seasoned for 60 days in your account. Or, if you're able to get to 20% down, all of that can be gifted, and you don't need that 5% of your own money anymore. So, keep those things in mind, and that's it.
I was just saying, that's a good point, and we're going to continue to keep you updated on how the market's changing and what kind of impact that has on our buyers, so that you can make the best decisions possible. Now, if you know anyone that could use our help or just has questions, please have them call us at the number on the screen, or they could email us at the email address on the screen.
All right.
And that's it. Thanks for calling.
Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.